Most landing pages don't fail because of design, they fail because they're unclear. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to shape a high-converting landing page from scratch. We'll start with why AI works, then we'll jump straight into Lovable, using it to build a real landing page for an example business. No theory, no fluff, I'll show you exactly how to refine the page and how AI helps you move faster without losing strategy. So without further ado, let's get started. So why use AI for landing pages in the first place? Landing pages fail when they're slow to build, badly structured, or unclear. AI can help you move faster without sacrificing strategy. Instead of starting from a blank page, you start with a framework that's already designed to convert. Then you can refine it. AI makes landing page build more accessible because it's no longer required for any kind of coding or technical knowledge. You just put in the prompt and it will create something for you. So this is Lovable, and if you are familiar with ChatGPT, it looks pretty similar, the interface to ChatGPT. You've got this prompt section here where you will actually tell Lovable what it is that you want them to build. On the left-hand side, you'll see some settings and some previous projects that you've created as well. So what we're going to do is use this prompt here to create a high-converting landing page for a small accounting firm based in Belfast. This section here is where you'll write your prompt. And then you see you've got some sections here as well. So in this part here, you can take a screenshot, you can attach files. So for example, if we had a logo file, which I'll upload now, and ask it to use the logo file. Under this section here, you can search for themes. You can either create your own theme, or you can use an existing color theme that they have, or you can put the theme details in the actual prompt itself. So I'm going to put in the prompt here that I created earlier. So the first thing I want to talk about is what it is I actually want them to make, which is a high converting landing page and a bit of context about what the landing page is for. So it's for a small accounting firm based in Belfast. And then I'm also going to give it a little bit more context on what the firm specializes in. I'm going to tell them the target audience that I want to target. And I'm also going to tell them the tone of voice, and this will help the content as well to be more aligned with the branding that I want. And then you can also give it some page goals as well. So essentially, what do you want to convey and what goals you want to achieve with your landing page as well. And then just some last few information of what I want the landing page to include. So for example, a strong hero section, a short who we help section, a services section, some trust signals, and a simple contact or booking call to action. And then just a little bit to emphasize to use UK English and spelling. How you want to use the prompt is up to you. You want to try and give it as much information as possible. What we'll also do is attach the logo, and I've just set to use the attached logo as well. And again, the more kind of context that you give it, the better understanding it will have. And then from here, I'm just going to select one of the themes. I'm just going to upload this here. So you can see now, this kind of looks, again, more like the ChatGPT interface. You can see it's thinking. It's got our message here at the top, our logo. You can enable notifications as well, so you don't have to stick on this page just to get this right. You can get notified once it's asked you a question. So here, they've said it's a great brief, and they said before they create the plan, they want to make sure they got some things right. So it'll ask you a few questions just to get more information. You can choose to answer each of these questions, or you can say skip all, and it will just take from what you've given it so far. So we'll just do some of these questions here. Do you have specific trust signals to include? We'll say user experience, client testimonials, and things like that. And then should the page include a sticky navigation? And yeah, you just want to answer each of the questions as they've asked it, basically. Or you can put in your own answers in the other section as well. So you can see it gives a summary of what we've talked about and what it's going to do as well. And this is a good way to kind of make sure that it's creating something that we actually want and is aligned to our branding and our goals as well. And then once you are happy with what it's saying that it's going to do, you just want to say implement the plan, and it will start creating your landing page. So it'll do what it's doing and let you know what it's doing as it's doing it. So right now it's saying I'll implement the full landing page with all the sections. Let me copy the logo and create all the components. And you can see here, if you click and show all, it's going to show you step by step what it's doing. So it's copied the logo, it's doing some thinking, it's editing some of the Tailwind files, and creating the actual components of the landing page. So it's really interesting to see. And it can take you a few minutes, but it is creating an entire landing page for you while you just watch it work. There's no kind of coding involved from this point or at any point. So it's very quick, very easy, and we just have to let them do what it's doing. Okay, so now that it's done, it lets us know that the landing page is complete, and it gives us a preview of the landing page over here on the right hand side. If we click on preview, this is our landing page. We've got a logo at the top, the sticky nav, the who we help section that we added, the services section, the why choose us, what our clients say, and the book our free consultation. It's already created a landing page for us so quickly that took only about 2 minutes. And it means then that we are able to use it as it is, but you can also reiterate. So if we take it here, you'll see at the bottom of the prompt, we can ask it to improve SEO and branding, make the contact form functional, add real testimonials. So you can iterate it as you go. If you click on visual edits, it will open the live editor where you can sort of edit it similar to how you would edit something on Wix or Squarespace if you've ever used any of these platforms. But for example, if I wanted to change like the context here, I can change the colors. I can click on it and I can change the colors. I can change what the actual content is. I can add, I can remove things. So I can customize it either through the chat, or I can customize it by myself with the live editor. But even with the live editor, there's again no changes involved, no coding involved, and it's still very straightforward and very simple. So in a matter of minutes, we have a landing page that we only use a simple prompt for and a little bit of editing on our end as well. AI doesn't replace strategy, it accelerates it. You spend less time building and more time refining, testing, and improving, especially for small businesses, and that means launching sooner and learning a lot faster. So the key benefits of predictive web design includes faster time to launch, better structure from the start, easier client collaboration, and ideal for MVPs and testing as well. AI tools like Lovable are changing how we build landing pages. The real win isn't speed, it's clarity. When you guide AI properly, you get pages that are structured, focused, and ready to convert. If you want more videos on AI, on using AI for real-world marketing builds, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.